Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. As you can see from the title, today I am going to introduce you about this amazing app called the Deepstash. So let's get started, right? So we have our start or sign in. Let's go with start. We didn't sign in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick an article to get started. Like, for example, Ikigai, a Japanese concept to improve work and life. Time blocking 101, a step-by-step guide to mastering your daily schedule. How to make smarter decisions by designing your defaults. The critical 7 rules to understand people. I'm actually gonna go with Ikigai. Okay, there are some key ideas found, and so the reason for being, like, is what you love, mission, passion, ikigai, vocation, profession, what you're good at. Okay, so ikigai is illustrated in 4 overlapping circles as in Venn diagram, which talks about a synthesis of what you love to do, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. So what we're gonna go down. So life value. The Japanese have a secret that embodies the idea of happiness in living, and it is called ikigai. So essentially, ikigai loosely translated to life value or life worth, and is a concept of living that the Japanese culture imbibes for decades. So ikigai and happiness, according to psychiatrist Mieko Kamiya, the concept of ikigai is similar to happiness but with a difference. Ikigai looks at the larger picture of life, allowing you to be okay with a miserable situation, as the grand vision of life in the future is still positive. So actually what this app is doing, this is from bbc.com. As you can see, we are taking the article from there, and without us being have to read everything one by one. It's like Deepstash is kind of giving us like 2-3 keywords, key ideas. For example, the reason for being, life value, and ikigai and happiness. Like, it's giving us a shorter part of it, right? So I think it's pretty nice. Let's say continue. So, reading reinvented. Fast, read in seconds, condensed, inspiring ideas in small packages, and easy to remember, easy to save, easier to resurface. So, you might actually think like, oh, why wouldn't I want to just just go and read the article? Because, like, there are these things when it comes to articles. It's okay. It's not that you cannot read it. Of course you can read it. But after some time, like, let's assume that it's a article like 3-5 paragraph, right? Because of some of them, like, they all go one by one, like, go by one. And it's not like they don't have titles. Sometimes they're not being separated. It's just one big thing. So us being able to focusing on that is actually making it a bit harder. So that's why I think Deepstash is an amazing app for that. It's going to be able to teach you, like, you will not have to read the whole thing. Of course, if you want to, you still can. But with this way, you can actually read and learn way more, if you ask me. So let's get to it. Let's sign in. Let's create an account. I'm gonna continue with Facebook. Oh guys, I'm bold. Okay, now we have created our account. Welcome, Daria. Browse the ideas from articles matching your interests. Get started by saving your first ones. So Deepstash works on the desktop too. Right now I'm using my desktop, but I'm using it as an app. So you can also just visit deepstash.com from the browser and log in as usual. So let's go. How to stop overthink and everything and find peace of mind. Peace of mind. You see, SM3. I'm gonna save all. Introducing reading all. 9 ideas read already. Keep it up. Get reading. So we can also find the topics from here, such as teamwork, leadership, health. I'm gonna go with love and relationships. So, how to revive a friendship. I wanted to get revenge. Your romantic ideals don't predict who you are for sure. I would actually like to read some things about healthy boundaries, the guide to strength, 10 build and preserve, 7 tips. Yes, that's me. I'm going to save all of these ideas. There's like 5 of them. So let's go change other things also. Money and investment. We have all of them. So also we have a quote of the day. It's yesterday's. The opposite of bravery is not cowardice but conformity. But that was yesterday's. So let's go to our profile. So let's check our saved ideas. We have this one I just added, and we have this one that I've added with you guys. Also, we have, if we would have some important articles, we could show them. Let's see our progress. We have read, we have the 17 total reads, and we have saved 12 today. We can also complete, we can start a track to complete your daily goal. And then after that, you can do another day, and it would be like, you would be more motivated. As you guys can see, this is an amazing app. So you can actually learn more with spending less time, which is amazing, and it's free. Go and download this one so you can learn more just like I do. Don't forget to like this video and download this app and subscribe to my channel. You know why I said what? What did you say? Oh, you have already. No, I'm not saying it for you. I'm saying it for the ones that haven't. Or maybe you have, but now you're in here with another account. You know, it's that button is still red or something like that. That's why I'm just reminding you. So, see you guys in my next videos.